Don't get left behind in the tech world. Embrace AI and you'll be unstoppable. With its power in your hands, you can crunch data faster, come up with smarter decisions, and stay a step ahead of everyone else. Get on board now and make sure your skills are fully powered up. Fancy a bit of AI to make your day easier? Check out these 3 incredible tools designed to simplify your daily tasks. No more stressing over tedious activities. These AI helpers will do the hard work for you. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that could help take your written communications to the next level, helping you get rid of any grammar or spelling errors. So don't worry if you can't remember all those pesky English rules, Grammarly's got your back. Fancy a tool that makes social media management as easy as pie? Hootsuite is the way to go. It has AI-powered features so you can schedule, post and analyze social media content across all your channels in a snap. Get more done with less stress. Give Hootsuite a try today. Google Assistant, your trusty robotics sidekick, ready to help you with even the most difficult of tasks. With a few simple commands, this AI-powered buddy can do it all, from answering questions to controlling your smart home devices.